splittering in the big 20. Oh, am I in gear? I hit the thing again. Yeah, I don't know how that works, but it's not ideal. Hopefully I didn't f up the camera just now. Loki overcooked the f out of that. I don't like those sounds. Downshift. Not that I'd want to. I can't go as fast as him here. I can keep up. I gotta be careful with my braking though. Sliding there. I did the thing again. That was a bad shift. I might be cooking it. I low-key cooking it. Haha.
1
gassing the fuck out of me. I had to drive slower. Something in my suspension's broken. Holy shit. That, and I can't fucking see fucking why I crashed 2.0. Sketchy right there. This ain't talked about. Get rid of those fucking sand things, man. I'm also staying in a lower gear. That's usually something I hate in editing, but that's okay. Don't overcook it, don't overcook it, don't overcook it, don't overcook it. But yeah, I'm just in this high ass gear. My bad. I ain't got it like that right now. I would catch up with him on this. This is low-key where I need to be careful. Oh shit. Especially when my tires are actually giving out on this turn. Shit. That's hella sketchy. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that, OG. Trying to keep this thing on the ground. So much slower than I used to be. This part of the road right here is actually really sketchy, especially when you have no suspension. There's a bump up here that makes me go flying. Here it comes. Haven't hit it yet. That's where it is. Oh my god. Now we slow down. Holy shit. So basically, I tried putting the new bumper on to see if it still worked, for the fender actually was broken, or not broken, but bent. And come to find out that I thought it was at the time. So I ended up buying a new one, this nice red one. It kind of looks dusty and crusty right now when I took the picture, but it actually looks pretty good. As you can see, it fit up perfectly. It was a really clean one that I got. But when I started looking at the old one, I was like, ah, damn. I started feeling like maybe, after looking at it for about a week, I was like, I don't think it's bent, or at least it seemed bent, because it wouldn't fit when I tried to put the bumper on. But when I tried to put the red one on, it still did the same exact thing. And I had to finagle it to get it on properly. So I thought for sure I just wasted money on a fender when I could have just used the original. I would have spent more time on it actually trying. So this comes back later. Okay, so this is about a week after I did the short little drive where I found out everything feels not correct. I took the front bumper back off to see if the original fender would work with the new front bumper and if it was bent or not. While I was under, lo and behold, I found that things didn't look right. Interesting. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. The curious behavior. I had noticed that the transmission bushing was pushed forward, and then so I just kind of ignored it at the time. Went and continued to put the new bumper on. It of course worked, which killed me. So it's still kind of warped, so I won't be reusing it when I paint the car, but I will be using the red one. But for now, so it looks less bad, I'm just gonna be using the black one. Then about 2 weeks after the drive, I had a friend over and he was looking under my car, and we both noticed that my motor mount was completely sheared out of, like, the bolt completely sheared off. So then it started clicking in my head. I was like, oh, okay, that's why the transmission mount looked like that. I noticed the drive shaft was hanging out from the transmission, and I noticed that, yes, the transmission mount was in fact warped forward and it wasn't properly seated. So things were wrong with it. And then, yeah, that's about it. The steering started feeling kind of messed up right now, so I still have that to fix. Basically, it feels like I have no power steering, but it even feels like that when I lift the car and I'm just steering the wheel in the air. So that just means something's bound up in the rack. So I have to figure out what that problem is. And then, yeah, the car is pretty much perfect, though, besides that, which isn't really perfect, but it drives. It drives and it works if I need it to. So probably going to put more stuff out this coming weekend. I'll probably get footage. So next week. Yeah, so bye.